Okay, we're going to make some colors. I have right here the primary colors, and I'm using Naphthol Red, Hansa Yellow, and Ultramarine Blue. Okay, first what we want to do is let's make an orange. Okay, I'm going to make a couple of different oranges. I'm going to use a Naphthol Red, and I better get my palette knife here. Okay, and I'm going to use an equal amount of Hansa Yellow. Let's mix these up together. And there we go. So, okay, here's an orange because it's red and yellow together, right? Put a little more yellow in there. It's looking a little too red to me. And you can mix these mixes with your brushes if you like, or with your palette knife, either way. Okay, now here it is. It's an orange. It looks a little cloudy to me. I'm going to rinse my brush. And over here I have Naphthol Red Light. So let's add some Hansa Yellow to the Naphthol Red Light. Go ahead and mix this. I always seem to get more red than I do yellow, so let's add some more yellow. You know, that's what color mixing is, you know, just kind of experiment and have fun with it. Okay, now we've got an orange. There's another way of doing this. I encourage you to get this mixing card. It has all the information about the paints on one side, has some popular color mixes on this side. On the other side, it helps you because you can squirt out your paint here and you can get uniform parts. Like, you know, you want to do equal parts, you do one of this color and one of that color. And here's 2 parts and here's 3 parts. And there's also a value scale on here. But a lot of times I just, you know, kind of wing it. And you will too as you get more comfortable. Okay, these 2 oranges. This one was made from Naphthol Red Light, which, as you will see from the pigment wheel, grab this. Naphthol Red Light sits over here, which is on the yellow side of the wheel, towards yellow. Naphthol Red sits here, which is on the blue side of the wheel. So, what we've done is we've made a prettier orange by using the Naphthol Red Light because this sits on the yellow side of the wheel. When we use Naphthol Red, which sits on the blue side of the wheel, we get a little bit cloudy orange. So by using, when we're mixing yellow with a red to make an orange, it makes sense to use the red that leans towards yellow rather than that leans towards blue, because we're coming across the wheel. When you use a Naphthol Red Light and you pull it down here to Hansa Yellow, you're staying on the outside of the wheel where it's brighter. But if you come over here and use Naphthol Red and pull it across to Hansa Yellow, you pass through the middle of that wheel where the tertiary colors are and you get a dirtier color, dirtier